Microphone produced a soft pop. A man's voice came out of the studio monitors. Stand by. 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay. He laughed once, too sharply. That one was good.
That was Leonard Briggs.
Of course it was.
He was the producer working the final broadcast.
Let me guess. Dead?
They found his tongue in the talkback speaker.
Silence settled over the room. Rick stared at Arthur, then turned toward the camera with a smile that had begun to rot at the edges. Folks, if you're just tuning in, Arthur Vale has brought us a charming little bedtime story about a man whose tongue was apparently removed by bad acoustics. Stay tuned